Welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the K-pop post pack in Dress Impress game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Basically, if you want to purchase walk pack or the post pack, just go to this menu, and then you're going to go to the poses or walks right here. And then if you want to get the K-pop post pack, you're going to scroll down and you'll see the K-pop post pack right here. And it costs 4K and 500 pink cash. And before you purchase it, you can click on this view to view the to see how the post pack looks like. Oh, there are 15 poses that you can use. Mamba, Nugu, flower, crown. Oh, smiley, pink, villain, like that. Feels, drama, solo, attention, dive, queen, popular girl. That's so cool. And okay, guys, that's how you can get the K-pop post pack in the Dress Impress game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!